This gold may be worth millions, but inside Switzerland, value is not enough. Before the world can trust it, the metal has to enter a system designed to doubt it. No stamp, no seal, no proof. At this moment, it is not power yet. It is only a claim. Switzerland's gold power is not built on spectacle. It is built on control. Every door, every tray, every scanner exists to answer one question. Can this gold be believed? In this country, gold does not become important because it shines. It becomes important when the system accepts it.
Sample analyzed. 99.99% pure gold. Data stream synchronized. Phase 2 ends as unverified gold faces the test.
Raw gold is not the same as trusted bullion. It may look heavy, it may look valuable, but the system does not believe the surface. It weighs the bar. It scans the bar. It cuts a sample from the bar. Because in the gold world, trust begins when the metal gives up evidence.
Until results are clear, the gold remains outside the trusted flow.
Now the gold splits into two stories. The sample moves deeper into analysis. The main bar waits under control. This is the hidden logic of the system. Nothing moves forward because it looks expensive. It moves forward only when doubt has been reduced. Until proof returns, the gold remains outside trust. Most people think this is the dramatic moment. Gold entering heat, melting, changing shape. But in Switzerland, transformation is not the final reveal. It is only the middle of the journey. The metal can be refined. The shape can be improved. The surface can be cleaned. But until proof returns, it is still not trusted value. trust is not created by one machine. It is built by repetition. Scan, sample, weigh, compare, inspect, stamp, seal. Each step removes one more reason to doubt the bar. The system does not ask the gold to look perfect. It asks the gold to prove what it is. Only after the bar has been challenged from different angles can its status change. It is no longer just metal. It becomes verified value. Once the gold is verified, the system changes its job. It no longer asks only, what is this? It asks, who can touch it? Where can it move? How do we prove it was never altered? Custody is not just storage. It is the protection of trust after proof has been created. The bar is sealed, tracked, checked, and locked away because the value now depends on more than gold. It depends on the chain around it. This is Switzerland's gold power, not the shine, not the spectacle, the system. A bar enters as unverified metal. It leaves as trusted value. Switzerland does not need to turn gold into a show. It turns gold into something the market can believe. And once gold becomes trusted, another country can turn it into movement. Switzerland turns gold into trust. Dubai turns trusted gold into motion.